Hello everyone. So today we are going to change this help bar. Previously it was just a single bar. Now I have make it like it has six parts, consists of six parts, and as I get hit those parts will be reduced. And also I'm gonna implement this part. When I equip an arrow and if I select fire, you can see under the health bar the fire portion is highlighted. If I select poison, the poison portion is highlighted. If I select the frost icon is highlighted. So I'm going to implement that part too. So let's see how to implement those things. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, now the next part is in the design. I have this health bar with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 parts, 6 parts. So but in my actual game I have just a single bar, so we need to fix that. So if I enable this reference image and hide this health bar, you can see it should be like this. See? Okay, now how do we make it look like this? Alright, so first I have created this single image PNG which like this. So let's import this into the project, the health bar. Now select the health bar and which one should I use? Let's try background image. Okay, that's not it. But for the background image I don't need anything, so I'll make it the transparency 0. But still I get it. Alright, no, it's the actually it's the reference image. Okay, let me hide it, it's confusing. Alright, now select the health bar again. Right, it's nothing. What if I enable this? Okay, yeah, it has to be nothing. Alright, now for the fill image let's use this health bar. Alright, now let's see. Okay, it works. Now let's do the same for the back image too. We don't need, or maybe we should, for this first let me fill it partially. Right, and I'll enable the visibility of this one. So as the background image I'll use the same health bar, and same thing for the fill image also. Right, now when this is reduced, it looks like this. That's okay, I think. Yeah. Alright, let's leave it like this. Okay, let's see this in action. It's full. Let's get it. Right. Okay, it works. No issue there. Alright. It works fine. Now what's the next thing we should fix? Health bar part is alright. Now let's move into this weapons. No, before that we need to do one more thing, which is this. When I equip the bow, and I can select the fire portion or poison or frost, but that current selection is not reflected in the widget, so I need to highlight the current selected portion when I select them. So how do we do it? Right, we have this in-game portion background. Let's open it in Photoshop. It's like this. Shall we add some glow to this? With these colors. Okay, I made it look like this, and I'll hide this layer. In-game portions background highlighted. Right. No. Where did I save it? We need to save a PNG. Let's import this into the engine. Okay. Alright. Now let's open one of these items, and here I'll create a custom event toggle height. Need an input highlight. So then get this one, set how to set the texture, Right, select it based on this. If highlight is false, we can use the same in-game portions. This is highlighted one. Okay, same image like this. Otherwise, in-game portions background highlighted. Select that one and compile. Right, now in the HUD we need to implement a way to use it. So how do we do it? Okay, let's create another custom event. Highlight portion, and we need an integer for this. Portion index. First, get all the portions. And toggle highlight, so disable all the highlighting like this. And then call another highlight option. So if I call 0, it should enable fire. If I call 1, it should enable highlight frost. If I enable 3, it should call, oh no, order is this: fire, poison, frost. Alright, so let's take a look at how do we select the portions. For that we have to open the character. What's the input? I'm using mouse wheel. I think it should be this one: next type and previous type. Let's see the action. Okay. Oh, it's not here. Then it should be, let's see. Next type. In the arrow. Okay. Alright. Right. So there is this: 0 is none, 1 is fire, 2 is poison, 3 is frost. So we need to update the HUD from here. But here we only have a reference to character and character inventory. Okay. Shall we take a look at the inventory? Who calls update resource count? Right, so let's go to the BPI UI and here let's add a function. I'll delete this one. Let's call it highlight we call them resources. Arrow type. Highlight resource, or shall we call it portion? No, I think we should keep calling them resource, because here also we have used the name update resource count. Okay, so let's stick with the name resource, and as the input I'm going to give an integer resource type. Wait, we have enumeration, yeah. And also here we use the enumeration resource type. Okay, so that means we should have the resource type enumeration for the highlight part too. So resource type. Okay, now let's go to the widget HUD, highlight why I don't have it. Need to compile. Oh, the engine crashed. Let me restart. Okay, fortunately I have saved. Highlight. Wait, don't I implement this PPI UI? Oh, I don't. Why? Right. I think I use PPI UI in the HUD. No. Okay, it started raining heavily outside, but I hope the noise shouldn't bother you. Yeah, so I have implemented the BPI UI in the HUD here, BP HUD. See? Okay, now here I can implement the highlight resource. Now for that I need to access widget HUD, highlight resource. Oh no, I'm calling the same one. So in the widget HUD I have to create a custom event. Actually, it would have been better if I use the same interface for each of these events, but if I am too late to do that, so I'll create a custom event. Oh, I should not have deleted that. Toggle highlight resource type, highlight resource. Okay, and I should get resource type as an input. Right, now call another toggle highlight and select the target based on resource type. So if it is fire, use this. If it is frost, use this. If it is poison, use this. And I don't have any other resource types here. And if I get a valid resource type as the result here, highlight it. Now let's call this from the BP HUD. Highlight resource like this. Now where should I call this one? Here, using this options. Maybe we should implement another function in the inventory. Yeah, highlight resource as the input. I should get resource type. The reason not to directly call the HUD is maybe what happens if I try to use those portions from an NPC character, then we should not change the HUD at all. So yeah, so that's why I wanted to do it this way. Right, highlight resource we can do it like this. Get the parent actor, and if the parent actor is player, then only we should call highlight resource using VPI UI. The resource type is this, or it is not new parameter. Let's change this resource type. Okay. Okay, where did I use it? Here. Oh, I haven't used it yet. Highlight resource, call it on the inventory. Alright, shall we test? Nothing happens. Okay, let's see. Equal is, oh, I haven't connected this one. Now let's see. See, fire is selected, poison is selected, frost is selected, and when I put back, I should disable it. Yeah, but it is not happening at the moment, so we need to fix that. How should we do that part? Well, actually the rain, it started thunders now, so I have to stop this video at this moment, and also a power cut started, so yeah, I'll cover the rest of this tutorial, continue from this point in the next episode. And thanks for watching. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club, link could be in the description below, and also the project files will be available for the download. So see you in another episode. Goodbye.